how to listen to music together on Spotify. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to make sure that your Spotify application is up to date. Right after that, you want to go ahead and open up the application, and from here you can just go ahead and choose the song that you want to play together. Now you can go ahead and do this method if you have a premium subscription of Instagram, but in my case, since I don't have the premium version of Instagram, I don't have that option as of the moment. But you can just go ahead and click on the three lines at the corner of your screen, and inside you will be able to see an option called Play Together. So you can just go ahead and click on it, and from there you will be able to get a shareable link that you can go ahead and share with your friends in order for them to join into your session. And once inside your session, you can now go ahead and listen to music together. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.